Hey everyone. Today we made a lemon butter fish. Our ingredients were 1.5 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of dill, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, 12 to 16 ounces of Brussels sprouts, half a lemon. We chose to use haddock, 1.5 pounds of haddock, but you can use any type of white, light tasting fish. It will work well with this dish. First, we seasoned the fish fillets with salt and garlic powder. We seasoned both sides. Set it aside, let it marinate for a few minutes. While that's marinating, cut up your Brussels sprout halves. Add a few teaspoons of veggie oil. Over medium heat, we used avocado oil for this. Wait about 30 seconds, let it warm up, then add your fish. You're going to want to cook your fish about 2 to 3 minutes per side. It's all dependent on the thickness. Ours was about 1 inch thick, so we cooked it for the 3 minutes. On the first side, you cover it for that last minute. You can take a peek, see if it's browned, or just go ahead and flip. You're looking for a nice browning on that side. Now, after you flip them, right, and you cook it for another 3 minutes, you're going to cover for the first minute. Once that 3 minutes is up, you're going to add your butter. Melt the butter. Maybe saute the fish a little bit with the butter. Add your lemon. And add your dill. You can plate it. Add a little of the sauce, set it aside. Time to move on to the Brussels sprouts. Add another few teaspoons of veggie oil again. Allow it to heat up. Going to add your Brussels sprouts. You're going to want to turn the Brussels sprouts all face side down. You want to brown those. Brown the cut side. Cook for about 3 minutes. Cover them. Gonna flip them over, check they're brown. Once you have them all flipped over, cover and cook for another 2 minutes. Add some seasoning. A little more salt and garlic. You can add whatever season you like. Season to taste. And enjoy your delicious lemon butter fish. Hey, if you liked that video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks, and bye-bye.